That's the Mariner. That's the Mariner. Put down the dirt. I want you to shoot him. Somebody shoot! Helen, I didn't say you could leave before the party was over. You. Well, you're dead. The girl. Get the girl. Hey, she's getting away! Let's fillet the flounder. Yes! Love this game. Oh, we got us running.
Hey, Mark, how about this?